Hi, my name is Christina and this is a Joice crochet tutorial. In this guide I will show you how to steam a base to make it prettier, flatter and easier to work with. Would recommend that you always steam crocheted bases. The method is slightly different between steaming t-shirt yarn and polyester yarn. Here you can see a base which is crocheted with polyester yarn. It twists and doesn't look nice. You might be thinking, did I do something wrong? Do I have to start over? No, you just need to steam it. You will need a piece of cloth, such as dish towel. Take an iron and set it at 40 to 50 degrees with the steam function set to maximum. Steam your base carefully. The iron may only touch the bottom if there is a piece of fabric in between. Repeat this process on both sides. If you instead want to steam a base made of t-shirt yarn, the temperature must be set to maximum. Apart from this, the process is exactly the same. Remember that the iron must not touch your base without a piece of fabric in between. It ruins the yarn. Much better. Now the base must dry. To achieve the best results, put it under pressure for a minimum of 3 hours, but preferably overnight. When your base is dry, you can continue crocheting. Hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment if you have questions. We'll be sharing more guides and tutorials here on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, it helps me a lot.